Hi, Meir Ezra here from heaven, and I'm just back from gym, and I want to talk to you about how to generate strength. And that applies to muscles, but later on we'll see how it applies to life in general. So, you can see people that have huge muscles and they're actually weak, and people much smaller that are really strong, and anything in between. And you can see a person that is really weak, and if he has a seizure, he can actually break his own bones. What does it mean? It means the muscles inherently have the strength. So what you do when you go to the gym, you're not making the muscles stronger. This is really something you need to understand. What actually gets the muscle working and powerful is something different. So here is how it works. So the muscle goes between connection points between different joints. So between the different joints, you've got muscles and they have connection points. And what happens is that in each one of those joints, there is a unit that generates electricity. And the amount of strength that you actually generate through your muscles is proportional to the amount of electricity or current, actually, to be more accurate, to the amount of current that entity at the joint generates, and not more. And what you do when you go to the gym and what you do when you're becoming strong is just you convincing the entity to generate more current. That's it. It has nothing to do with the weight. It has nothing to do with the size of the muscles. It has everything to do with that entity and how much it's willing to generate current. So the way to become stronger, and that's why you can change your mind and you can do more repetitions. So you're doing bench press and you do as much as you can, and then there is a blonde that's going next to you, and immediately you can do one or more thing. Why? Repetitions. Why? Because you can actually command the body and the entities to generate the current, and by that generate more strength. And what you have is, on the one hand, you have unlimited ability to generate basically any amount of force that you want, or any amount of power from the muscles. And on the other hand, there are all the consideration of what you can. So what you do in the gym is that you're just changing your consideration about how much current you are willing to generate, nothing more. Now, how does it apply to business? How does it apply to life? That's the subject of the next video. In the meanwhile, just go to the gym and decide to generate more electricity or more current into the muscles, and you'll see you have more force. Now, there's a very exact method on how to increase this current and how to communicate with those entities and how to get them to generate more current. All of that is a subject of my next seminar, and the seminar is causative meditation. You will learn how to become cause. It's free, totally free, and it will definitely change your life. Number one, you will learn how to generate how to control your body better by generating the correct amount of current, by applying the correct force. But number two, you will, much more important, you will learn how to apply the same principles to your life, because the same kind of entities, the same kind of mechanism is working in life overall. You're just not aware of it, or most of the people are not aware of it. Once you learn it, you'll see that everything becomes under your control. You become cause, and hence the name causative meditation. How to become cause. Bye-bye.